Okay, angles and relationships. Two angles that have a common vertex and a common side are adjacent angles. So basically the word adjacent, okay, adjacent means next to. Okay, like I'm adjacent, or I'm not, I'm adjacent to my MacBook, right? I'm next to my MacBook, okay? So angle A and angle B are adjacent angles, okay? This is a vocab. Two angles that form a straight line, are called a linear pair. Okay, it kind of makes sense. Linear means line, right? Linear means line, pair means two, so those two angles. Two angles whose measures did add up to 9 degrees are called complementary. Okay, again, we're dealing with two angles a lot, okay? So two angles. So there's a picture on the right side. So if angle CBD right here, if that's 76, what is angle ABC? Boom, is 14. Yeah, it's 14. And then two angles whose measures add up to 180 are called supplementary angles. Supplementary angles. For memory's sake, complementary starts with a C. I kind of think that kind of means like corner. So AKA 9 degrees, or like this corner. This is not real notes. This is just like what I use to remember. Supplementary starts with an S. That basically just means straight line. Straight line. So it's 180 degrees, okay? Okay, so L and P over here is 62. 62. The other angle has to be, this angle is 118. Boom. To do that, a little quick math, you just do 180 minus 62, right? To get that 118. Bam. Okay. Try this on your own real quick. Use complementary and supplementary angles to help you. So if I say X is 23 degrees, boom, this is 23 degrees. Find the other 3 angles. Find these 3. In general, we shouldn't judge by looks in math, but you can assume that a straight line equals 180 degrees. Okay, so if you see a straight line, you don't need to be like, oh, but there's no markings that it's a straight line. Okay, that's one thing you can always just assume. Okay, AEC, where's AEC? AEC, boom, this is AEC. You guys see this is a straight line here, boom. Okay, we gotta work on our vision and geometry, seeing our spatial thinking. That's a straight line. So if X is 23, then AEC has to be 157. Again, the quick math is over here. What about angle deb? Angle deb. So I'm trying to find angle deb. I'll be using this right here. Okay, angle deb. It's gonna be the same math actually. Wow. 180 minus 23, same thing. Angle CEB. This angle here. Well, if you already knew this was 157, right? 1, 2, 3. This is 157, right? Angle C or AEC. So now over here has to be 23 as well. I'll make it blue. All right, that's 180 minus 157. So I know if you guys have a question, try to type it out real quick. Or you can really just speak out loud if you want to be famous and on this video. Feel free to do that too. If you have a question, please pause me or type it out, okay? Okay, what do you guys see here? What do you guys see? What do you guys see? Angle AED, fun fact here, angle AED is equal to what other angle?
Is it equal to angle CE?
Remember, angles, you need 3 letters, right? CE is just a segment. So angle CE, what's one more letter? B. Okay, good job. Okay, so there's gonna be a reason for that. And the reason for that, okay, those 2 angles are congruent. Okay, if you look at this scenario, let's read this here. When 2 lines intersect, the angles that lie on opposite sides, so opposite sides of this here, this angle is opposite of this angle. Okay, basically when we think about opposite, they point away from each other. Okay, like this angle and this angle. Do we see how they point away from each other? Those are called vertical angles. Basically it makes like a V too, right? You can see that V it makes. So the pair of vertical angles, we already found one above, right? Angle AED and angle DEB. What's another pair? There's one more pair of vertical angles. Angle AEC and angle DEB. Okay, right. DEB. Okay. And really this theorem, I probably just move this. Yeah. I'll put it here. Vertical angles are what? Starts with a C. Good, congruent. Okay. Congruence. Okay, so no matter how you draw it, okay, if you draw like this, check this out, boom, this is congruent to this, right? I didn't label anything. And then over here, it's gonna be congruent to this. Okay, vertical angles are always congruent. That's another thing you can always prove. Okay, you would just say it's because they're vertical angles. Okay. All right. Okay, let's do C and D. Okay, angle C, not angle C, problem C. What type of angle is this called? Good, complementary angles. Okay, you can tell because that corner, that box means 90 degrees. So the complementary, these 2 angles here, ABD, so angle ABD plus angle DBC, those 2 should add to 90. Okay, so from here, just angle addition, 2x minus 4 plus x plus 7. You guys probably write small, by the way. You guys probably see that on the notes. Equals 90. 3x, add your like terms, plus 3 equals 90. Three x equals 87. X equals 36. Boom. Is that right? That's not right. Nope, 29. Are we done? Are we done here? Are we done? Are we done? Heck no, we're not. We gotta find angle DBC. So to find angle DBC, plug it in. Where's DBC? DBC. So the answer is 36. That's your official answer. 36 degrees. Okay, guys. This all three of these problems are on the key already. I don't want to have you guys late to your next class. These three are on your key already. Okay. How you guys can see it on there? It's basically here. Yeah, it's not on your key. Okay, your homework is just to finish the chapter 1.5 homework assignments, which is here. We'll go over a lot of questions tomorrow and review tomorrow. And then the quiz, that's the window for your quiz. You basically have a 4-day window. All right, the copy of the notes going, yes, everything's on Canvas. The keys, to copy the notes, everything's on Canvas. Okay, so sorry about today, guys. And we went a bit over time as well. Oh, I shouldn't put this on video. I'm recording my apology right now. Now people know I made a mistake in class.